Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're filming a chili cheese bowl and we are putting so many great ingredients in it. I can't wait for you guys to watch it. We also have a little dessert that my mom sent to us that comes in after we eat the chili. And then we always have the little behind the scenes and bloopers at the end. So make sure you stay to the end to watch those.
Hello, we're back. I'm taking credit for what my wife cooked today. So I'm gonna, here we go, chili beans, homemade. Wow, it smells incredible. I love it. I'm so hungry, I haven't eaten all day. Here's more chili. We're gonna add some cheese, some shredded cheese to it. There we go. That should be enough. And we're gonna go with a little bit of cilantro on top to give it a kick and some garnish. Yes, I can't wait. Chili cheese in a sourdough bowl. Let's eat.
I'm about to eat some chili cheese soup with my brother.
Oh yeah, baby. Tastes very good.
It's
okay.
super good.
I mean, not okay. It's very good.
It's very,
Very
very
good.
good.
Wow, this is good though.
Wow, Paula.
And the bread is super fresh too, it's good.
Great job. Go team.
Reminds me of Disneyland.
I know, right? We miss it.
That's why I cooked it.
It's really, really good.
Dedicated to Disneyland.
You know why I think it's extra good? Because of all the extra meat.
I think it's the beans.
right, here goes the Atayef. Paula's aunt's homemade Atayef. The best. Homemade. Yes, all the way from Fresno. Fresno, California, baby. Louise. All right, Louise. We're gonna get fat. So this is a traditional Arabic dessert, Atayef. And you can fill it both with the ashta, which is a type of cottage cheese, or I believe these are stuffed with walnuts and sugar. Yes, they're delicious. They're gonna get fried, golden brown, and they're gonna get dipped in the rose water here. What is this, Paula? Water, sugar water. All right, welcome back. It's time to flip the Atayef. The Atayef dough is very similar to the pancake dough, but this is stickier. So you're able to do the enclosure to when you stuff it. Here we go. The Atayef are done. Golden brown as desired. Now we're going to transfer it to cool down on a piece of napkin so the oil, it'll drip the oil. Okay. Looks good. Smells good. We could make one guarantee. It'll taste good. Ask me why. Ask me why.
Why?
The reason why? Because Louise made it. That's why, baby. Louise made it. All right, Louise. Next time, don't send 6. Send 12.
Louise.
Okay, okay. All right, here we go. The last one is being transferred. Okay.
Wow.
Action. Oops. We'll cut that out. Welcome to Disneyland. Action. Oh, you're. Action.
Hot. Hot.
Way too hot.
Bloopers.
Why are you miserable?
We already have bloopers for this one. She
my
dropped
God.
the lid of the can in the.
I like comparable. I like Disneyland. I like comparable. Somebody likes Disneyland? What is he saying? How long is the video gonna be?
I don't know until I edit it.
I was gonna buy extra bread, but I thought we can order some tomorrow.
Mm.
You can't talk. Why can't I do it?
Oh, are we taping right now? Oh,
Yeah,
taping's in progress?
Dough and shiz.
Okay, are we ready?
Action.
And the napkin will, oh, Jesus Christ, soak the oil.
Island from Earth Cafe.
I don't know. I'm
She
filming.
said that's
That's my life, Robert. I just edit videos
The video's still running.
There was all only day 6. Long.
And
And under eye.
you look pale as Snow White. You can't just have makeup.
You want to be in it? You want to be in
I'm
it?
gonna be in it. I'm not gonna be in it. If I'm gonna do your makeup.
That's what I did in the fettuccine intro. Mascara and lipstick. I didn't even have cover up on.
Filming yourself. Don't film that way. Film this way. Sobrang şarşaf çıkar.
Sharshaf? Sharshaf? Or Katayef?